Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best waterless car wash review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, wet or waterless car wash wax. Tired of washing your car the old way? Upgrade now. Imagine cleaning and waxing anywhere, anytime, even in your parking lot. Introducing Wash Wax, all 80 ounce concentrate, aircraft grade, multi-surface protection. Just one bottle creates a full gallon of ready-to-use cleaner. Get up to 21 waterless washes or 32 quick waxes per bottle. Spray on, wipe dry, no water, hoses, or mess required. Leaves a non-stick, UV-resistant coating for lasting shine and protection. Perfect for cars, RVs, boats, motorcycles, even ceramic coatings and wraps. Eco-friendly, water-based, plant-derived, and fully biodegradable formula. Alcohol and ammonia-free. Safe for all surfaces, inside and out. Meets strict Boeing and Airbus cleaning standards, trusted by aviation pros, used by Air Force One, Marine One, and top airlines for 35 plus years. Great for apartment dwellers, eco-conscious drivers, and busy lifestyles. Enjoy professional results, shine, protect, and clean in one easy step. Ready to transform your vehicle care? Try Wash Wax all today. Click now, make your car shine anywhere, anytime. Number 4, Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine. Tired of endless buckets, hoses, and wasted water? Worried about scratching your paint with traditional washes? Struggling to wash your car indoors during winter months? Frustrated by products that only clean but don't protect? Meet Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine version 5. This advanced formula cleans, shines, and protects in one step. No need for a hose, just 1 or 2 gallons of water. Polymers encapsulate dirt, preventing scratches and swirls. Safe for paint, wraps, coatings, and even interiors. Eco-friendly and perfect for water-restricted environments. Wash your car anytime, anywhere, even inside your garage. Works on cars, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. Enjoy a brilliant shine and lasting protection every wash. Save time, save water, and protect your investment. Upgrade your detailing routine with Optimum No Rinse today. Experience the easy, eco-friendly way to a spotless ride. Number 3, Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash. Tired of dirty cars but no time for traditional washes? City living means no hose, no driveway, and water restrictions. Buckets, rinsing, and messy setups make cleaning stressful. Worried about scratches and water spots on your paint? Meet Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax Spray. No hose, bucket, or rinsing needed, just spray and wipe. High lubricity formula lifts dirt gently, preventing scratches. Advanced chemistry ensures a spotless, streak-free shine. Leaves behind a glossy, synthetic wax barrier for weeks. Protects against the elements and keeps your car shining. Safe for glossy paint, glass, chrome, and plastic trim. Perfect for busy professionals and urban car owners. Clean and protect your vehicle anywhere, anytime. Enjoy effortless car care and long-lasting shine. Upgrade your routine with Meguiar's Waterless Wash and Wax. Keep your ride looking its best the easy way. Number 2, Wet or Waterless Wash Wax Kit. Tired of messy car washes and dull finishes? Meet the Wet or Waterless Wash Wax Kit, your all-in-one solution. Reason 1, true aircraft quality shine and protection now for your car, used by Air Force One, NASA, and top professionals worldwide. Reason 2, waterless, eco-friendly, and safe for every surface. No water, no problem. Clean and wax anywhere, anytime. Reason 3, ultimate UV protection with a non-stick glossy finish. Preserves ceramic coatings, waxes, and paint with every use. Spray on, wipe dry, no streaks, no hassle, just results. Perfect for cars, boats, RVs, and even aircraft. Alcohol and ammonia-free, gentle on hands, tough on grind. Includes microfiber towels and bug scrubber for pro-level detailing. Eco-conscious drivers, this is your guilt-free shine solution. Ready for showroom results without the water waste? Tap the link, grab your kit, and shine smarter today. Don't wait, make your ride look legendary with Wash Wax All. Number 1, Chemical Guys Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Ever washed your car without a single drop of water? Introducing Chemical Guys Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Spray it on, watch stubborn dirt vanish instantly. No hoses, no buckets, no mess, just pure convenience. Swift Wipe's advanced formula prevents scratches as you clean. One step, spray, wipe, buff, done in minutes. Reveal a glossy showroom shine every single time, perfect for city dwellers and water-restricted areas. Eco-friendly cleaning, save water, save time, save effort. Works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, any vehicle, any brand. Slickening agents protect your paint from swirling or damage. Leaves a protective, non-stick coating that lasts. Ideal for quick touch-ups before meetings or road trips. Chemical Guys, trusted by car lovers worldwide, ready to experience waterless, scratch-free shine. Tap the link, follow Chemical Guys, and shine on! All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.